And we go for the reconnect section. This section is a meditation exercise that you take for you, for yourself, for your life, and you can use whenever you want. So in spirituality and psychology, we are using spiritual techniques together with spirituality. For this one, we are going to use a creative visualization. So I invite you to close your eyes, breathe in, put your back straight and aligned, take some big, deep breaths with the belly. In and out. Another one. In and out. And the last one, deeper than the previous. Inside through the nose. Feeling the chest and the belly expand. And breathe out, letting it go. We are going to imagine our place of total rest and total calm and total restoration. Think, feel, see, or sense about a place where you feel safe, you feel calm, where you feel tranquil and at peace, where there are no interruptions, where you can totally relax, totally recover your energies. A place for yourself. And think, feel, sense, see how are the surroundings. How is your surroundings? Are there many objects or no so many objects are around? Is a place that is outside on the nature, on the beach, or is a place that is inside? How is the temperature in this place? Is there any smell? Is there any essence? How are the sounds? How is the light? Now I invite you to take a camera, a Polaroid, from your pocket. This camera appears in your pocket and you take it out and you take a picture of this place. And the Polaroid start to print this picture and you can see the picture in your hand becoming more and more clear. The Polaroid, the camera disappear and you remain with the picture. And in this picture is your place for total relaxation, total recovery, total restoration. I'm going to invite you to look at this picture for another time and put it in your pocket, in your left pocket. You know that this place is in that picture in your pocket. And even more important is that this place is inside you, is within you. And whenever you need, you can come back to this place and you can close your eyes and breathe deeply and go to the pocket, left pocket, and look at the picture and know that this place is within you. You can restore and calm and recover whenever you want. Breathing deeply, connecting with your body, connecting with the air around, connecting with the room. Breathing out, open slowly your eyes. Quick exercise, how to connect, how to become, how to be, and how to transport yourself to this place of restoration.